in a certain aspect, I think the first 11, you got it wrong.
Mm-hmm.
When I saw the first 11, I'm saying, hey, your supported team, no, near maybe you are because of where I'm coming from. Criticism is difficult for us. But the kind of selection I've seen is not that too good for me. Semenyo was in the game. Joseph Bento was one of the best players in the game. So the changes aspect to me, personally, was also wrong. You can blame the players, yes. Both no more concede, you know. Do have your coach but on the field, you know.
Yeah.
The player too needs to be attentive.
That's
and I say you can blame them, but the changes wasn't that good. And the selection too, I didn't get it well because of I don't like the kind of starting lineup on a crucial game like this, especially when it comes to your first game. Nobody over African Cup. Me, I'm about 5 times. I'm with experience, you know. About risky a first game in African Cup. On Thursday, who are you playing with? Egypt. They also get 1 point. What are you going to do? If in case Nyamen Fasama, which I know say maybe we can redeem ourselves, maybe we could see here. 3 African Cups, you are coming home. Now you have about 10 games in African Cup of Nations for the past 3 years. Only 1 in the Agyemang winning.
Yeah.
And when you are winning, it's not like you are playing against Senegal, Morocco, Algeria, Mali, and the one we knew. And now I lose, sorry, and I lose.
Yeah.
In the teams we have lost, Comoros, Equatorial Guinea, Cape Verde, Comoros being back to back. Then Comoros are another book, another referee crap on one go.
Yeah.
Say I didn't know when you are referee upon. Listen, it's early. I mean, it's tournament. It's early. You can lose your first game, come strongly, and win. But that was there. Now football has changed. The generation now, you won't, and the baby uncle folk do a mobile no cosisiano. These are kind of things have changed. Say, my winning the first match, it can happen. It's tournament, fine. Even if it happens, you have a lot of work to do as a nation, as a federation, as a supporters, and as a government. We need to come together, invest from the scratch, because now the foundation is, and what the foundation is weak. The head in it, now for